back to my channel. Welcome back to How To Tuesday.
How To Tuesday. How To Tuesday with Ellie. Yeah. Comment below and subscribe.
So for today's How To Tuesday, I'll be showing you how to do a cartwheel, as you know by the title and the thumbnail. So for you beginner gymnasts, I'll be showing you how to either improve or get your cartwheel down. As you know, my name is Ellie, and today's shout-outs go to Ainsley Lewis. Thank you so much, Ainsley Lewis, for subscribing to my channel. And remember, guys, comment down below, I subbed, and I'll give you a shout-out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So without further ado, let's get on to the video.
So to start getting your cartwheel, you are going to need to stretch. Always stretch before ever doing gymnastics or anything pretty much. Workouts or anything like that. So I just started just stretching my wrists and hands and my feet, and so that I'm well stretched out before I begin. So now to start your cartwheel, you're going to have your hands stand down just to gain arm strength. And you're also, first we're going to start and figure out which side is your good side. It doesn't matter if you're left-handed or right-handed. That usually doesn't matter. It's just whatever leg feels comfortable. Mine is on my right. Yeah, wait. On my left side is my favorite. So pick your side and just do this. When you finally get your side, keep doing this over and over again, and you will finally just have the hang of it. Okay, so now I'm going to do a bent leg cartwheel, and I'm just going to land on my knees like that. So I'm just going to do like a bad cartwheel, and it's just going to help me get ready for the perfect cartwheel. So I'm just going to keep doing that over and over until I have it, and then keep getting straighter and straighter. I'm going to start off, now we're going to go into the cartwheel, so I'm going to start off slow with my hands and legs perfectly straight. Well, that was a little bit too slow. As you can see, I bent my legs there. And now you'll get to that.
I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below I did it. And make sure to sub and comment down below if you subbed and liked. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!
Well, hello again, guys. Click right over here. Right there to watch another one of my videos, and also right here. And then click down here to subscribe to my channel. Better do it. You better do it. You better do it.